Hi everyone, it's Lourdes Galang of Wealthy Moms Club. So for those who are asking what they will get in this online course once you purchase it, the MSI for Moms or Multiple Sources of Income for Moms online course. So I've created this online course specially for moms who wants to create multiple sources of income. So what you will learn in this course are online generating income ideas or business opportunities that you can do online, such as freelancing, digital product selling, how to be a real estate agent, how to be a financial advisor, learn about online drop shipping, or on how to do e-commerce or start your own online selling business. Also learn about network marketing or how to put up your consultancy services or offer coaching services online. Now, if you are a mom who's already into freelancing, or you're also doing digital product selling business, or you're already a real estate agent or a financial advisor, maybe you're asking like how this course could still help me if I'm already doing such as freelancing or digital product selling business. Well, what this online course is all about is creating multiple sources of income. Wherein if you're already into freelancing, how can you add digital product selling into your source of income? And then at the same time, add again another source of income, which is online drop shipping or e-commerce or online selling. So it depends which of this online income generating business ideas that I have given will fit the gifts, talents, or skills that you might have. So, ang pinaka main purpose nitong course na to ay kung paano mo mamamanage yung time mo and at the same time, paano mo ba unti-unting i-add itong mga possible sources of income na to para makapag-create ka ng multiple sources of income. So, these are just some of the lists that you can use as a possible source of income, itong mga income generating ideas na to, and lahat sila you can do it online. So, I've listed down online income generating ideas kasi ito yung kaya natin gawin as moms na pwede nating i-build ang multiple sources of income. So I hope you were able to get an idea what you will learn in this course, and if this will be helpful to you, especially with your season right now as a mom, this online course is definitely for every season that all of us moms are in, whether you're a single mom or working mom or a stay-at-home mom. One more reason why you should purchase this course or buy this online course, the MSI course for moms, is because you can resell this course and start earning and then get value for your money. So for those who wants to purchase multiple sources of income for moms online course or MSI course, if you're on TikTok, just click the link on my profile. And then once you click the link on my profile, you will see the multiple sources of income for mom's online course. Just click that link and then follow the instructions. You will also see the details, okay, on that particular website, what's inside MSI, the price, and how you can pay for it. Now, for those who are watching this on YouTube or Facebook or Instagram, just click the link that I have posted on the description box and follow all the instructions on the website where you will see the details for our MSI course or for the multiple sources of income for moms online course. If you have any questions, just message me or contact me on the following contact details. Okay, so you can send me an email, contact me on Viber or even on WhatsApp, or you can DM me on TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook. You can also join our Wealthy Moms Club PH community. It's a Facebook group. So you could also interact and be encouraged with other moms who are also on their path of building their multiple sources of income. So thank you, and I'm looking forward in seeing you in our Facebook group at Wealthy Moms Club PH community, and looking forward to be working with you in building your own multiple sources of income. Thank you and God bless.